Today we are going to learn about variables in Python. We will talk about many points, and the most important one of them is how to create a variable in Python, what are the types of variables in Python language, and some important tricks about string and the variable's name, rules, and other many stuff. First of all, how to create a variable in Python. It can be by giving a value to it. In Python language, you can declare a variable just only by give a value to it. Variables in Python are containers for storing data values. Unlike other programming languages, Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. How is that? It is like that example, x equal high and y equal 5. Here we give it a string type, and here we give it an integer type. Let's try it. So x equal high and y equal 5. This one is an string one, and this one is an integer one. So let's print it. We can print it by giving the command of print x, and then again print y. Run. Okay. High and 5. So we declared a variable in Python language by assign a value to it. The second point is how to change the type of a value after being set. Variables type, as I said, have no types. You can give it any type you want, and it will take it. So by the mean of a variable can contain any type. So as I said, variables types have no types. So like you see here, x equal high. Let's make something else. X equal high, and then x again. We will use the same variable. We will give it an integer value. We will give the command print for x. Can you guess what we will be print? Let's see together. It will print 5, the integer value. The last value we declared, we assign 5 in the before print, and it will take it. Print, look for the closest line to it and print that one. In other this one, string type, can use single quotes or double quotes. Let's write it together. Sorry. X equal high, this is with double quote, and y equal again high, or not high, what it is, cool. Okay, print x and print y, print x and again print y, and let's run it. Can you guess what will be the result? High and cool. You can make that y in this way. And let's give it a comment line. We take it a comment line that. So look at that. Hi, cool. Okay. Let's see the other point, variable name rules. Okay, this is a very important point in our lecture. A variable can have a short name like x and y, or more descriptive name, age, animal name. Note that there is underscore here, and size. We as programmers prefer to have a descriptive name for variables. If you are a beginner, so you have to notice that. Rules for Python variables. 1. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. It should be start with a letter or underscore. A variable name cannot start with a number. You can't start a variable name with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores from A to Z and from 0 to 9 and underscore. A variable names are case sensitive. So year with a small letter and year with the first letter as capital letter, and a year all of it is letters. Capitals are 3 different variables. This is important point in Python and in every language actually. The 5th point is assign many values to multiple variables in one go. How is that? Like that, x and y and z equal I love Python. I love Python. Do you love Python? So x, y, and z equal I love. What will you love? You will love Python. Sorry. Okay. Control X. Python. Print command xy and z. Run it. We run it, and what is the result? Is I love Python. Okay, thank you very much for utilizing me. Assign value to multiple variables. It is the reverse of that. Let's try it together again. What we are going to do is x equal y equal z equal the value you want to give it. We will give Python. Let's print that by print command, and we will give xyz, and run this Python. It is very nice. 7. String plus symbol. This we will use this symbol plus symbol. What can do and how use it? X equal hello. We assign a string value to x and then said print x plus world. How it can be? This made combining. This made connecting or combining to words. X equal hi. Okay, hi, and print command print hi x actually there and plus 5 yes, so 5 high 5. why it gave us an error? Guess why? Because this one is string and this one is integer, so it is not you can't combine two different types. You have to make this one is string too. So let's run it. As you say high 5 and there is no space here, you can make that and it will be very nice. Okay, very nice thing. You can use it in this way too. For you can give the first variable hello and the second value world, and you can make a print for the both, or you can make the or you can transfer the both of the variables to another third variable. Let's try it together too. X equal me, y equal awesome. Okay, I think it's wrong. Me is the best. Me is the best. Let's give a space is there and print what we are going to print, x plus y, or you can make it like that, z equal what equal x plus y, and then you can give it a print for z, So what we will give us? It will give us me is the best for this one and me is the best for this one. Let's make something bad like that. It will give us an error. Look at that. Name that is not defined. Okay, he is right. We defined it. And you can notice something, sorry, look at that. You can notice there that he print the first one. Okay, so let's go to the other point. Actually we did that. Integer plus string, we can't use plus symbol to combine two different types. Global variables. This is an important point. Global variables are, what is the global variables? Global variables, in short, are any variable had been created outside of a function, as all our previous examples we did, okay, are known as global variable. So any variable you create outside an function is a global variable. Global variables can be used inside or outside the function. How is that? Let's look at this example. X equal good. From define, we use this command to define and declare a function in Python. Def my func and 2 point print x my func. This is method calling, function calling. What will be here? You can see what now. Let's try it. X equal I am the best global variable in the world. Okay, calm down. In the world, very nice. And then let's define the function we want. Def my func. Oh my god, my func, and then x and okay, let's call the function. How we call it again? By writing my func and that. Okay, everything is okay. I think we run it. An error, my func. Actually, we have a little error there. Okay, it is good. I am the best global variable in the world. This is nice. So this is the first this is how to use a global variable in your code. The second example, look at this one. Global with local variables usage. Okay, so I told you if you declared a variable outside a function, we call it a global variable. And if you declared a variable inside your function, this means that variable is a local variable. So when you have two variables in your code, a local one and variable one, how it will work together? Which one we will be print? This is the point. So I declared a global variable at here. Before that, this block is the function block start. It ends here. We are declaring a variable, global variable here, x equal I am a global variable, and then we declare a function def my func x equal I am the local one. Okay, x here is a local variable because it is inside the function, so we call it a local variable that only works inside the function. It only works inside the function. And print x. This print will look at the closest line, closest assigning value to x. What is the closest assigned value to x? It is here, not here. So it will bring this one. I am the local one. Will bring the local x because this print method search inside its own block, and it will find the local x first. After finding it, print method won't go further and search for another x, and it will print what did it find. Okay, so when we call the my function, when we call this method, it will print this one. And when we declare another print command after calling, this one will print this one because this print method can't look inside this block. It is hidden for it. Print method here will look for x value, and because the print method is not inside any function, then it will find the x global variable value and print it. So let's write this together again. Please write with me. First of all, we are declaring a global global variable. Oh my god. X equal I am the global x. Okay, I am the global x, and then we are declaring a function here, def my func. Okay, my func, and we are going to declare another x, a local x equal I am the local x. I am the local x. Then print x. We will print x here. We are going out from that function, and we call it my func. We called it. Then we will write print again, print command, print for x. Okay, so let's see what it's gonna be. I am the local x. As you see, we print here the local one, I am the local x, and in this print we print the global x. the local x, the global x. So you are now know what is the difference between global and local and how it is going to work in your code. 9 global keywords. This is important trick you can use in your code. Example 1, if you want to declare and create a global variable from inside some function, you can use global keywords to do this. How is that? If you want to use a global variables from inside your function, you can use global keyword, and this variable will be a global one. This x is a global variable even so it had been declared inside a function block. X a global variable but declared from inside a function, my func print x. So as you can see, this print x can't go inside this block, but because we used a global keywords, then this x will be stored in another memory that print can reach that memory, and it will find it. So let's do that. Ctrl+A. What we are going to do, we are going to declare a function, def myfunc, okay, myfunc, and we will give it a global variable from inside the function. So global keyword, we use it, global x, what equal is I am the global variable from inside the function block, the function block. After that we are going to make calling. So let's call it, we are calling, or let's print it before that, print x here. Okay, sorry, you have to make a space. It is under the def myfunc, it should be a space. So this block is contains inside that block. So let's go out from that my function block and calling myfunc. We called it. Then again print x. As I said, this print x, it can't reach this block, but because this global keyword, this x variable is now stored inside some memory. Okay, so it can be reached from outside. Look at this. X I am the global variable from inside function. Invalid syntax. Why it is invalid syntax? Because you can't make you can't declare and assign a value in the same time, so you have to do that. X. Okay, this is correct now. I am the global variable from inside the function. This is for this print command, and this one I am the global variable. This is from this one. Example 2, same goes if you needed to change a variable and give it a unique value after a specific place in your code, you can use this method to give an existing global variable a new value and continue with the new value you gave. By the mean of, you have a global variable in your in the head of your code, and after some point in your code you want to use another value to the same variable. So how you can do that? By using a global keyword, and it will be okay. It is like erasing the previous value. So here we declared x equal hello global 1, and then we declared my function def myfunc, and we declared that x is a global variable, and we give it another value, hello global2, and then we called my function, and then we give the print command x for x. So which one will be print, this one or the hello global2? Let's try it together. First of all, we have to declare an x global variable in the head of our code. It is global1, and then we make my func. Sorry, we have to use def before that. Okay. Def my func, def my function, and we declare that x is a global here too, and we assign a value to it. It will be global2. After that, we are going to call my function and print that x. So which x it will be here? Let's see together. It is 1 or 2, and it will be for sure global2. It is like erasing the previous and give it another new value. This is all what I have for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to support us by sharing and other stuff. See you.